Personal Finance Crash Course, Budgeting and Expense Management. Introduction. Welcome to the Personal Finance Crash Course on Budgeting and Expense Management. In this course, we will delve into the fundamental concepts of budgeting, explore various techniques to track and manage expenses, and provide you with practical tips to effectively allocate your financial resources. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and tools to create a comprehensive budget and gain control over your financial life. Section 1. The importance of budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of personal financial management. It is the process of creating a plan for your income and expenses, allowing you to make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. Here are some interesting stories to illustrate the significance of budgeting. The tale of two friends, Sarah and Mark. Sarah and Mark were close friends who graduated from college together. Both landed decent jobs, but their financial situations quickly diverged. Sarah diligently created a budget, tracked her expenses, and set savings goals. On the other hand, Mark lived paycheck to paycheck, spending impulsively without a budget in place. A few years down the line, Sarah had accumulated a healthy savings account and was well prepared for unexpected expenses. Meanwhile, Mark found himself in constant financial stress and struggled to cover his bills. The difference between their situations highlights the importance of budgeting and its impact on long-term financial well-being. The power of budgeting for a dream vacation. Emily had always dreamed of going on a luxurious vacation to a tropical paradise. However, she felt that her financial situation would never allow her to fulfill that dream. Determined to make it happen, she started budgeting and cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Emily created a dedicated savings category in her budget for the vacation fund and diligently contributed to it each month. After a couple of years of disciplined budgeting and saving, Emily finally achieved her dream and embarked on the vacation of a lifetime. Her story demonstrates how budgeting can help you allocate your resources toward your goals and make seemingly unattainable dreams a reality. Section 2. Top 12 Budgeting and Expense Management Techniques. Now let's explore the top 12 budgeting and expense management techniques that will help you take control of your financial life. 1. Create a comprehensive budget. 1. Start by tracking your income and expenses. 2. Categorize your expenses, e.g., housing, transportation, groceries. 3. Set realistic limits for each category based on your financial goals. 4. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. 2. Prioritize essential expenses. 1. Identify your essential expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and food. 2. Allocate a significant portion of your budget to these necessities. 3. Ensure you can cover these expenses comfortably before considering discretionary spending. 3. Track every expense. 1. Keep a record of all your expenses, no matter how small. 2. Use apps, spreadsheets, or budgeting tools to make tracking easier. 3. Analyze your spending patterns to identify areas where you can cut back. 4. Set financial goals. 1. Define short-term and long-term financial goals. 2. Examples include saving for emergencies, paying off debt, or buying a home. 3. Break down your goals into achievable milestones and track your progress. 5. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule. 1. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, such as housing and utilities. 2. Dedicate 30% to discretionary expenses, such as dining out or entertainment. 3. Use the remaining 20% for savings and debt repayment. 6. Implement the envelope system. 1. Set aside cash for various spending categories in labeled envelopes. 2. Once an envelope is empty, you can no longer spend in that category until the next budgeting period. 7. Use technology for expense tracking. 1. Take advantage of budgeting apps and software that automatically categorize your expenses. 2. Sync your bank accounts and credit cards to easily monitor your spending. 3. Set up notifications or alerts to stay on top of your budgeting goals. 8. Practice the 24-hour rule. 1. Before making a significant purchase, wait for 24 hours. 2. This helps prevent impulse buying and gives you time to evaluate if it aligns with your budget and priorities. 9. Cut back on discretionary expenses. 1. Identify areas where you can reduce discretionary spending. 2. Consider alternatives to costly habits like eating out, such as cooking at home or hosting potluck dinners. 3. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options like community events or outdoor activities. 10. Negotiate bills and expenses. 1. Contact service providers to negotiate better rates or discounts. 2. Shop around for better deals on insurance, internet, and other recurring expenses. 3. Consider bundling services to save money. 11. Create an emergency fund. 1. Set aside a portion of your income each month to build an emergency fund. 2. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. 3. This fund acts as a safety net for unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. 12. Regularly review and adjust your budget. 1. Revisit your budget monthly or quarterly to ensure it reflects your current financial situation. 2. Analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you can make further improvements. 3. Celebrate milestones and achievements along the way to stay motivated. Section 3. Summary. In this personal finance crash course on budgeting and expense management, we explored the importance of budgeting and how it impacts your financial well-being. We discussed various techniques, from creating a comprehensive budget to tracking expenses and setting financial goals. By adopting these strategies, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards achieving your financial dreams. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction but rather about making intentional choices that align with your values and goals. With consistent practice and a positive mindset, you can achieve financial stability and enjoy a better quality of life. Poem. In the realm of finance, budget is the king. It brings order to chaos. Let your dreams take wing. Track your expenses, every penny counts, and watch your wealth grow, no need for doubts. The tale of two friends, their paths did diverge, one budgeted wisely, the other did splurge. Sarah's savings grew, she was financially strong, while Mark faced hardships, his choices were wrong. But fear not, dear reader, for you can learn to budget with purpose, and your money earn. Prioritize essentials, set goals with care, and watch your financial burdens slowly wear. The 50-30-20th rule, a guideline to follow: essentials, discretionary, and savings, they shall borrow. With envelopes labeled, cash in each slot, you'll stay on track, no matter what you've got. Technology is your ally, apps at your command, tracking expenses, categories at hand. The 24-hour rule, a pause before you buy, to ensure it's a need, not just a passing high. Cut back on luxuries, find joy in the small, cook meals at home, have a potluck ball. Negotiate bills, seek discounts with grace, and save on expenses, put a smile on your face. Create an emergency fund, a safety net, for life's unexpected events, you won't fret. Review and adjust, your budget's best friend, stay mindful, adapt, and financial success will ascend. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.